Use a flat chisel and a Phillips screwdriver. Turn off the oven using the main switch. Wait until the oven is at a low temperature. Hot surfaces can cause serious burns.
Make sure the stones are cold enough to handle.
Remove all screws holding the front plate. There are screws on both the top and bottom side. Remove the front plate by tilting and/or pulling it towards you. Gently bend a little with a flat chisel between the stone and the stone frame on the right side of the oven. Gently bend a little with a flat chisel between the stone and the stone frame on the left side of the oven. Remove the stone frame. Remove the fittings on the right side. Remove the fittings on the left side. Pull out the stones. Insert the new stones.
Place the stone so that the smooth side is facing up.
Mount the new fittings on the left side. Mount the new fittings on the right side. Mount the new stone frame. Mount the front plate. Attach all screws around the front plate on the bottom and top side.